How to create channel on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the messages icon. Here, you can view your messages with friends on Instagram. Now tap on the new message icon at the top right corner of this page. Then tap on Create a Group Chat. Here, choose the friends you want to add to the group from the suggested list below. You can also search for a friend in the search bar if you can't find them in the list. Give your group chat a name if you want. After you're done, tap on Create Chat at the bottom. You have now successfully opened a group chat on Instagram. Following these steps, you can easily create a channel on Instagram.